She is holding her baby.
She is holding her baby.
He is drawing a picture.
He is drawing a picture.
She is opening the window.
She is opening the window.
They are sitting on grass.
They are sitting on grass.
She is folding clean clothes.
She is folding clean clothes.
He is washing his hands.
He is washing his hands.
They are eating dinner together.
They are eating dinner together.
She is smiling at camera.
She is smiling at camera.
He is jumping over puddle.
He is jumping over puddle.
They are riding in bus.
They are riding in bus.
She is brushing her hair.
She is brushing her hair.
He is feeding the cat.
He is feeding the cat.
They are flying a kite.
They are flying a kite.
She is tying her ribbon.
She is tying her ribbon.
He is carrying a bag.
He is carrying a bag.
They are laughing together.
They are laughing together.
She is opening the door.
She is opening the door.
He is closing the gate.
He is closing the gate.
They are reading together.
They are reading together.
She is picking fresh flowers.
She is picking fresh flowers.
He is writing in notebook.
He is writing in notebook.
They are playing in garden.
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 She is holding her doll.
She is holding her doll.
He is kicking the ball.
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 They are walking to school.
They are walking to school.
She is packing her bag.
She is packing her bag.
He is climbing the stairs.
He is climbing the stairs.
They are enjoying the picnic.
They are enjoying the picnic.
She is waving her hand.
She is waving her hand.
He is fixing the chair.
He is fixing the chair.
They are talking happily.
They are talking happily.
She is washing the dishes.
She is washing the dishes.
He is sweeping the floor.
He is sweeping the floor.